this is getting started on Schoology. So when creating an account, you will go to courses and click create to create a course. I will call this course name GCSE. The section name is on the title after the colon, so I'll call this GCSE Science. The subject area will of course be science, and the level I will do level 11. So I will create the course by clicking create. And as you can see, you will get this page, and within this page you can see in the sidebar there's numerous of activities you can do in this course. And below this you will have a access code, and in this access code you can add students to your course. So students can join the course by clicking courses and join, and then they will enter the code here given below here. So in materials, this is where you can add folders and resources to your course. So if I add materials and add folder, I'll call this biology, and I can change the folder color to a green, and in the description I can say what is in the biology folder, and I can click create. And if you ever wanted to create a folder again, then you just add materials and do the same step over again. Or if you want to create a folder inside a folder, you will click the folder and then press add materials and add folder again. In the updates sidebar, you can update all students in your course. So I can say homework due Tuesday and post. And if I post, this will appear for all students in this course. In the gradebook, this gradebook will tell you what grades each student has, and by setting up this gradebook you will go to grade setup, and in grade setup you will add a category. So if I add a category by clicking this icon and type in homework and calculate it by percent, and then the drop lowest is 7%. You can also in here say to your students when the grading period starts and also ends here, and a calendar will appear, which you can then easily click what day it ends and starts. You will then save that. In the final grade settings, you can change the gradebook scale, so either numeric, so 1 to 9, or A to F. And you can also have a function of where calculator grades, so if you enable this, this will round the period and final grades. So you would save changes. And then below grade setup is badges, and this is where you can award students with certain badges. So say I wanted to give someone for perfect attendance, I'll click this box next to perfect attendance and add, and then this will add. And obviously I don't have any members in this course, but you can give this to students, so you can award everyone for perfect attendance, or you can take away everyone's perfect attendance if everyone is not there for some reason, or you can delete it off particular people. In attendance, you will see all your members here, and you can mark them as present, absent, late, or excused members. So below here, this will show you all the students that are in this course. And in analytics, this will tell you how many people have been on your page and how many comments you've got and stuff like that. You can also edit the picture of this. So if you just hover over the icon and press edit picture, you can attach a file, and that will change the picture of the course. So that's getting started on Schoology.